nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
Good morning, class. How are you? Are you okay? Are you happy? Show me if you're happy. You are like this. Or you are like this. Like this. Like this. You are like this. Okay, good. Sit down. Okay, today we are going to study set. Set. What does set mean? This S means what? It means? Karine, what does this S mean? What does this? All of you? And this thing? Very good. Do you like science, elementary technology? Yes. Okay. Someone to remind me what we said last time. Hey. Animals and the young one. Oh, that one is for last time. Yes. The wind, the dangers of too much wind. Is it good to have too much wind? What are the dangers of too much wind? What are the dangers of too much wind? Yes, Elvis. Too much wind can kill animals. Yes. Too much wind can kill people. Another one, people were sleeping. Wake up. Wake up. Ketia, you are always doing. I don't know. Yes, Karine. Too much wind can destroy our house. Ngabo? Yes. Too much wind can destroy our plants.
Too much wind can take your things.
Yes, too much wind can take away our things. It can take our like clothes. Too much wind can kill people. Very good. Today I've brought something. I just want you to tell me what it is. People were standing up. It is not good. What is this? This one I'm holding. Bottle. What is inside the bottle? It is water. What is this? This one. They are what? Stones. And this one? They are? All of you? Colors. What about this one? Markers. And this one? Pens. Then, what else? Like this one? Toilet paper. Now, according to the all materials I'm showing you, guess what we are going to study? We have water, we have colors, stones, bottle. Guess what? Yes. At school, we use stones at school. No, what is the use of the stones here at school? Guess what we are going to study? Do we use colors to build a house? Now today we are going to study. We are going to study natural and people look here. Natural and artificial. Artificial what? Materials. Natural and artificial materials. Natural, you repeat natural. Artificial. Artificial. What does natural mean? Natural materials. Let us start from natural materials. What does natural materials mean? I want one person. Natural materials means what? Natural materials means what? Hey, class, look here. What does natural materials mean? Is it your first time to hear the word natural? What does natural materials mean? What does natural materials mean? Yes, perfect. Speak loudly. Very good. Natural materials are materials which created by whom? Are materials which created by guys, you are disturbing me. Natural materials are materials which created by God. Now, who can give me example of things created by God? Example. I don't want you to stand up and raise up. You sit down and do like this. Examples of natural materials. Who can give me examples? Examples. Ngabo. Stones. Another one. Yes, Jimmy? Kara is created by God. No. Yes. Animals. Another one. Another material is created by God. Yes, Babin. Trees. Very good. Yes, when you say trees, there is plants also. Another one. Karine. Soil. What about you? People. Another one. Yes. Fish. Yes. Moon. You said? Mountain. There are many, yes. Water. Who is that one? My goodness. Water. Yes, she said. Stars. There are many things. Now let us talk to. Guys, can you sit properly? Mariam, are you sleeping? Now, let us go to the artificial materials. Artificial materials means what? What does artificial materials mean? Yes. Yes, they are materials that created by people. Who can give me an example of materials created by people? Who can give me an example? Someone to give me an example. Ngabo. Carl. Yes. House. Please. Motorcycle. Bicycle. Yes, Mariam. Bicycle. Chairs. Bag. Ketia. Yes. Food. Shoes. Clothes. Ball. Jerrycans. Vase. Pens. Now I want you to do this. You make a good line here. Make a good line. A good line here. Angel, come quick. Make a good line. Okay, listen to me. You are going to come here outside. Are we together? You are going to come where? Outside. Then you bring for me one material. Mariam, you are going to bring for me one material, one natural material and one artificial material.
Yes.
Are we together? One natural and one artificial. Are we together? You just here around here. You look for me, natural and artificial. Do quick. Do quick. One natural material and one artificial. And don't copy. Do quick. If you have seen it, you bring here. I just want one natural and one artificial. Do quick. What is that?
Soil.
Soil. Is soil artificial or natural? All of you bring. Stand here. You are one tell me everything. You just bring artificial and natural. If you have got, you come here. Stand here. You are waiting for others. Bring here. Ladose, we are waiting for you.
Copying me. Is you are copying me.
Natural and artificial. I want two. Natural and artificial.
May I have it? This one and this one.
Yes, you stand here. If you are finished, you bring them here. Wait. You just stand here. Guys, I don't want to see you there in the playground. Just bring one quick. One natural and one artificial. Stand there. Those who have got, they stand here. If you have got, you stand there. Mariam, do quick. Those who have got, I just want two. Don't bring one thing. Barbine, I'm waiting for you. If I see you that. Guys, I want you to remain on the line. Ganza, can you make your shirt very well? You are not smart. Okay. All of you show me what you have brought. Just two things. Have you brought all? I want two things. One artificial and one natural. Okay, where are we going to start from? You just make a good line. It is one by one. One by one. You just show me. This is natural and this one is artificial. Like that. I'm going to start one by one. We start from here. You speak loudly. We are not hearing you. As for you, remain there.
This is
You put up your hand.
This is natural and this is artificial.
Is stone artificial?
No.
Who created the stone?
God.
It means that this one is. If it is created by God, it means that it is what?
Natural.
It is
Natural.
natural. You correct yourself. The one who is ready. Who is ready?
Me.
Yes, Octave. Where can you look here? What are you doing behind? You are playing. Okay, show us.
This is natural. This is artificial.
Show them. This one is natural. What is this?
Stone.
Stone. It is natural. And this one?
Pencil.
Pencil is?
Artificial.
Very good. Clap for Octave. Clap for him. Another one. Yes?
This is natural. This is artificial.
What is that?
Paper.
And this one?
stone.
Very good. Uh-huh.
Me.
Another one. Another one. Yes.
This is natural.
Very. What is that? And this one? Eh? Cover of the notebook. Very good.
Me.
Octave, what are you doing? Another one.
Me.
Another one. Yes.
This is. Why am I not this is a paper.
Mm-hmm.
This is a stone.
So which one is natural? Which one is artificial? Show us the natural one.
Me.
Is this natural material?
No.
This one is artificial. You see?
Me.
Yes.
This is artificial. This is natural.
Very
Me.
good. Another
Me.
one.
Me.
Yes.
This is actual. This is artificial.
The stone, the stick is artificial. It's God who created. Okay, good. Another one. Yes.
This is natural. This is artificial.
Very good. This one is artificial. It is made by people. And this one is God who created this, the plant. Are we together? Are we together? Another one.
Me.
Yes, Gisa.
This is what?
Go back where you're supposed to stand. Katia, where are you going? Tell us.
Katia, what that has not asked you.
What is that? Another one. Someone to help Gisa. Yes.
This one is natural and this one what is?
That one is? Is what? Artificial. We have seen that artificial materials are materials created by.
People.
It is materials which made by.
People.
We can even call them man-made materials. Then natural materials are materials which made by God. Here around our school, can you tell me the materials that created by people you are seeing here around? Who can give me example of the materials created by people here around? Here around, the materials you are seeing here. Guys, who can give me example of the materials which created by people? Tell me, what are you doing there behind? I want you to tell me the material created by people here. Daniela. House, the house. Very good. Another one. Another one created by people here around. Elvis. The tent created by people. Very good. The other one. Yes. Swings, all the swings. All, listen to me. All the swings created by who? By God. By people. Very good. Another one. Yes. Clothes. These clothes we are wearing. Go down. The clothes that we are wearing. The clothes that we are wearing created by? The clothes that you are wearing created by whom?
People.
By people. Very good. Yes. The shoes. All of you touch your shoes. Who created the shoes? The people are the one who made them. Okay? Yes. The cars. Look at the cars there. Are you seeing the car? The cars created by who? People.
Teacher, me.
Okay. Someone tell me the things created by God. The natural things. The natural things that you are seeing here around. Extend, go behind again. Natural things that you are seeing here around. What are you doing there? Gemma, what are you doing? Please.
Stone.
The stones here. Another thing you are seeing, the natural one. Yes.
Flower.
Flowers, good. The soil that you are seeing here, they are natural what? Natural material.
Me.
The other one? Yes. The people. Look at yourself. Who created you?
Go.
It is?
Go.
God. Good. The other natural material, yes. The plants you are seeing here around. Good.
Also there.
Another one?
Me.
Yes.
What?
The water. Very good. Animals.
Me. Plant.
The plants you have said it. Yes. The soil. Very good. Air. Now listen to me. The homework. Tomorrow. When? Oh, everyone is going to bring for me something from your home. The natural thing from your home and artificial thing from your home. Isn't it? Thank you very much. Clap for yourself. All of you do like this. We are all created by whom? We are created by? Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. We go to class. Then you draw everything created by God.
nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.